Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news here. There is a great news here. So Wipro has released the result of the written test finally, and now they have started sending mails for the next round. Okay, so whoever has got the written round, now please start with your the next round, and we will be discussing what is the next round. So virtual business discussion round. Okay, because many of the students are really confused what is this round is all about and what all sort of questions will be asked. So friends, before that, if you have not still subscribed to our channel at Online Study for You, then please do subscribe. Otherwise you are going to miss lot of things, because we will be uploading the interview experiences, previous year interview experiences, and lot of other things. Friends, you can see, so full of videos. We will be uploading daily 2 to 3 videos on our channel, and it is helping student across. Okay, so do subscribe and click on bell icon. Okay, now so let us read the message once again. So Wipro candidature update. So dear candidate, greetings from Wipro. Congratulations being selected in the assessment round of Wipro hiring 2022. I will zoom it a bit. Okay, then please be informed that the next round of selection process, that is virtual business discussion, will be scheduled shortly through your Superset platform. So stay tuned for the further updates. Regards, Global Campus Hiring Team Wipro. So friends, Wipro is a very good MNC. That's what I can say, because the quality of work what you will get in Wipro will be definitely good. It will be definitely better. Okay, so if you can check your spam folder, so all those folders you can check. Okay, and let us see if we have got any email from Wipro NLTH. Okay, so the heading will be Wipro NLTH test result announcement. Now, so friends, what is this different kind of rounds which Wipro is going to get conducted? So virtual business discussion. So friends, virtual business discussion round is nothing but your technical and HR round. Okay, so friends, do not get confused. Virtual business discussion round is nothing but it's only it's technical and HR round. So as usual, so either one member or two member will be there in a panel, and then your interview will happen. So basically your next round is only the interview round. Okay, and you know the questions like what is the difference between C and C++, what is object oriented programming concepts. Okay, what is encapsulate, what is the four pillars. So this kind of questions will be coming. If you're from your core branch, then you prepare for your core branch. Okay, and then if you are from other projects also, you prepare. So what all you have done in your project, what was your role. So basically this Wipro virtual business discussion is nothing but your technical and HR round. So do not search here and there what is this. So just prepare for your interviews, and definitely we will be making a lot more videos, and we will be uploading the interview previous interview experiences, which will help you that how you should prepare for your Wipro interview. Okay, so friends, do not worry, and also by tomorrow end of the day we will be releasing the comprehensive interview material for Wipro as well. So friends, but it will be very much similar to TCS. So if somebody has already bought the TCS NQT comprehensive interview material, you can start with that. If not, then we will be tomorrow, we will be by end of the day we will be uploading this Wipro comprehensive interview material for all streams. So sit back and relax. Your selection is our uh, headache. Your selection is our problem. You just need to focus on your resume. You need to focus on your technical and HR aspects of the question. So you just read it, and the rest of the things you leave it on us. Okay, so your selection definitely we will be working very hard. So just be with us, and whatever we are doing, just get benefited with that. And you would have seen how many results we have given in Infosys and how many results we have given in TCS. So same thing, we will be keep doing it for you, and you need just one place, just one seat in Wipro, and that we will make it happen. So thank you friends, till then you take care, and we will be uploading more and more videos on your Wipro interviews now. Thank you, take care, and all the best.